6 tips that you can implement today on your TikTok videos that will make sure you're going to get more followers, more likes, and more shares. So as we know, TikTok is one of the exploding social medias at the moment, and any short form video is doing really, really well. So YouTube Shorts, you've got Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and of course, obviously TikTok. Now, today we're going to go through 6 tips that are going to be that you can implement to make your videos stand out and perform even better. So tip number 1 to begin with is make sure you have a hook in the first 3 seconds of the video. This will then stop people scrolling and want them to actually go and view it. Also, make sure that your video is what we call energetic, okay? Make sure there are no pauses, no gaps, or spaces left in the videos. You could use an app called CapCut to make sure that you edit all those spaces out, which will make sure that the video flows much quicker and much nicer for people to view. Now, the third tip is make sure that you use movement. Now, you could have a video playing in the background. You could also be actually walking with your phone and recording your video there. That would create movement as well. So lots of different ways you can create movement, but movement will again engage the viewer for much longer. Now, the fourth tip, and probably one of the most important ones, especially if you're a business or selling something on TikTok, make sure you have a call to action. So what do you want people to do at the end of the video once they have watched it? Do you want them to come to your Facebook page? Do you want them to go to your product? Do you want them to go to your email and sign up? All those sort of things. So you've got to know what that call to action is and make sure you deliver it at the end of the video. Now, another thing that you need is obviously good lighting. Make sure that you either record in daylight, or if you've got a inside, make sure you've got good lighting that you can put on, enhance the video as much as possible. If it's a poor quality video, then again, people will just swipe away from it. Now, the last thing and the very important thing, if you want to get your video seen, you can add up to 5 hashtags into the description area, plus use SEO keywords. So for argument's sake, if I wanted email marketing tips or something like that, and I was given a video about email marketing tips, then I would have that in the actual description. I'd have it in a hashtag as well. TikTok would actually push it towards those hashtags, those particular hashtags that our people are searching for. And don't obviously go for all just the big hashtags as well. So like work from home or something like that will get billions and billions of views. So you may want something, work from home for teenagers 2022 or something like that. Make it a longer tail keyword that less people are searching for, because you're more likely to rank and get more views and people watching your video. So now you've got those 5 best tips. I'm going to be doing obviously more videos about TikTok, but make sure you head over and you can follow me on TikTok as well if you want. Plus, obviously, make sure you subscribe to this channel and where you're going to get even more tips and tricks about marketing your business online. So I'll see you on the next video.